go to our class? Okay, today our class is consonants. But once again we recall the vowels. Shall we recall that? Okay, children. Listen. Vowels already know, but once again we want to recall that. After this letter, there is no short sound, only the long sound like A, I, O, Au, See children, now here a short sound, A long sound, I short sound, E long sound, U short sound, U long sound, Re. So after this letter, no short sound, only the long sound. Okay, A, I, O, Au, Once again, A, I, U, Re, A, I, O, Au, Are you clear, children? Okay. Shall we go to our today's class? Okay. Today our class is consonants. What is the next? Consonants. Shall we see? Consonants. First two lines, children. First, how we have to write the consonants letter. Shall we see? Okay. The first letter of the consonant is Ka letter. How to write that? One line like curve and one top of the line. Right, children? The next like this. And one round, one line on top of the line. K, K. The next letter G. So first, the short line have a hook and one long line top of the line. K, G, and fourth letter like this and one line and top of the line. And the last letter is Na. Short line and like this S. And top of the line and dot. Clear, children? How to write this? Ka, K, G, Na. Once again, shall we see how to write these letters? Okay, children, you have to practice this. How to write. First one line and like this and top of the line. Right? This is the first consonant of a letter. And then like this, round, one line and top of the line. Right? The third letter is short line and have a hook and one line and top of the line. Okay? Then the fourth letter sharp line and like a S and top of the line and dot. Clear, children? Once again we say ka, kha, gha, gha, na, ka, kha, gha, gha, na. Right. Okay, shall we go to the next line? Today we want to see only two lines, ka line and cha line. Shall we see the cha line? Okay. First, like this, and one curve, one line after top of the line. Okay. What is this letter? Cha. And like this, and one round, one line up, and top of the line. Okay. Cha, cha. The next, like this, and one line, one standing line, and top of the line. Cha, cha, ja, and sharp line, and like this, and have a tail. This letter have a tail, and one line, and join the standing line, and top of the line. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Opposite direction of C, and one line, standing line, and top of the line. Okay. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Once again, shall we try? How to write? One line, and one curve, one standing line, and top of the line. The next, like this, and one round, one line, and top of the line. Okay? Cha, cha. The next, this, and then one line, one standing line, and top of the line. Ja. The next line, like this, and tail, one line, standing line, top of the line. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Opposite direction of C, one line, join them, standing line, top of the line. Right? Ka, kha, gha, gha, na. Ka, kha, gha, gha, na. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Are you clear, children? Okay, now shall we see in our book for these letters with the words? Right, children? Okay, take your book. Okay, right, children? Take your book, page number 17. See the vowels with the words. Consonants with the words. Right, children? Ka, ka se, kabutar. What is this picture? Kabutar, pigeon. It's a bird. Ka se, kabutar, pigeon. Ka se, kamal, lotus. Ka se, kamal, lotus. Ka se, kachwa, tortoise. Ka se, kachwa, tortoise. Once again, ka se, kabutar, pigeon. Ka se, kamal, lotus. Ka se, kachwa, tortoise. Clear, children? Now we have the dotted lines here. You also write it on the line and practice it, children. Okay, shall we go to the next? The next letter is K. K से खरगोश, rabbit. K से खरगोश, rabbit. What is this? Rabbit. Okay, the next. K से खरबूजा, muskmelon. What is this? Muskmelon. K से खरबूजा, muskmelon. K से खग, bird. K से खग, bird. Once again. K से खरगोश, rabbit. K से खरबूजा, muskmelon. K से खग, bird. Yes, this letter also have a dotted lines. Practice it, children. Clear? Okay, the next. G. G से गमला, flower pot. G से गमला, flower pot. G से गधा, mace. G से गधा. G से गगन, sky. G से गगन, sky. Clear, children? G से गमला, G से गधा, G से गगन. Okay, dotted lines. Practice it. Shall we go to the next? Yes. The next letter is G. G से घर. What is this? Ghar, house. What is this, children? Yes, very nice house. G से घर, house. G से घड़ी, watch. G से घड़ी, watch. G से घड़ा, pot. What is that? Pot. G से घड़ा, pot. Once again. G से घर, house. G से घड़ी, watch. G से घड़ा, pot. The last letter is Ng. Clear, children? Yes. This also you have to practice. Right, children? Okay, children. Now shall we see the rhymes for Ka family? Okay. Ka letter family, no? Ka, Kha, Gha, Gha. So this is a very small rhymes. Shall we see? Kabutar utkar छट्टी चिट्टी लाया, खरगोश सुनकर दौड़ा आया, गरम गरम हवा है आई, घर पर मिलकर रहना भाई. Okay, follow, children. कबूतर उड़कर चिट्टी लाया, कबूतर उड़कर चिट्टी लाया, खरगोश सुनकर दौड़ा आया, खरगोश सुनकर दौड़ा आया, गरम गरम हवा है आई, गरम गरम है हवा है आई, घर पर मिलकर रहना भाई, घर पर मिलकर रहना भाई. Follow, children. कबूतर उड़कर चिट्टी लाया, खरगोश सुनकर दौड़ा आया, गरम गरम हवा है आई, घर पर मिलकर रहना भाई. Right, children? How is it? Okay. Okay, children. Now our book work. abhyas, exercise. Okay, maukhik, oral. Okay, reading this kha, kha, gha, gha, nga. Yes, the next one. उन चित्रों पर लगाओ चिन्हकर नाम दिए गए अक्षरों से शुरू होते हैं. Okay, tick the pictures whose name begin with the given letters. Okay, see children, pictures, see the pictures. Now we have a ka and kha. Ka, kha, two letters we have, and four pictures also we have. What is this picture? What is this picture? Gha. And what is this picture? Ghadi. And this kabutar. Which is the correct picture for this letter? Ghadi, kabutar. Yes. This is the correct picture of the ka, kabutar. We have to tick this. Okay. The next, khargosh and ghada. Which is the correct picture? Khargosh. Yes, this is the correct picture. Shall we tick this? Yes. Okay. Shall we go to the next picture? Next Roman letter. Are you clear, children, this Roman? Okay. You also do your book. The next one. Shall we match this Roman letter, children? Okay. Socho, samcho, or milavo. Think, understand, and match. What is this? This is the gamla, and this is kharbuja, and this is kamal, and this is ghadi. We have to match the correct letter of the picture. Shall we match? Okay, the first this picture, ka se kamal. Shall we match? Yes. Next letter, kha. Kha se kharbuja. Correct. Match it. Then next, gha. Gha se gamla, flower pot. Then last one and only, gha. Gha se gadi. Match it. Okay? Right. The next Roman letter, जो एक जैसे है उन पर गोला बनाओ. Circle the same letters. Okay, we have the box letters, and some letters are here. We have to ring the same letter like this. Okay, the next one, g. G, where is that letter? S. Shall we ring? Right. The next one, k. Where is this? Yes, the second one is the correct answer. This one, g. Where is that? Here. Okay. And बिंदुओं को जोड़कर और वर्ण पहचानो. Join the dots and recognize the letters. We have the pictures with the dots. We have to join that pictures and find the letters, children. See, like this. You have to join the dots and find the letters. Right, children? Very simple Roman letter. You have to do yourself. Right? Okay. The next one, cha. Cha line. Shall we see what are the words? Cha. Cha se chameli. Jasmine is a flower. Cha se chameli. Jasmine. Cha se chammach. Spoon. Cha se chammach. Spoon. Cha se chatayi. Mat. Cha se chatayi. Mat. Right, children? Once again. Cha se chameli. Jasmine. Cha se chammach. Spoon. Cha se chatayi. Mat. Right? Are you clear, children? Okay. Yes. This is the practicing corner. You have to practice this. Right? Shall we go to the next page? Yes, the next one. Cha. Cha se chhatri, umbrella. Cha se chhatri, umbrella. Cha se chadi, stick. Cha se chadi, stick. Cha se chat, charas. Cha se chat, charas. Clear, children? Chatri, chadi, chat. Okay? Yes. Practice this. Right, children? Shall we go to the next? Yes. Ja. Ja se jahaj, ship. Do you know? Ship. This is a ship. Ja se jahaj, ship. Ja se jug, water jug. Ja se jug. And ja se jal, water. See, children? Water. Ja se jahaj, ship. Ja se jug, water jug. Ja se jal, water. Once again. Ja se jahaj, jug, jal. Practicing corner. Right. Shall we go to the next? Cha, cha, ja. Over. The next one. Ja. Ja se janda, flag. This is our national flag, tricolor flag. Do you know? Yes. Ja se janda, flag. Ja se jharoka, skylight. Ja se jharna, waterfall. Once again. Ja se janda, flag. Ja se jharoka, skylight. Ja se jharna, waterfalls. Once again. Ja se janda, jharoka, jharna. Right, children? The last letter is nya. Cha, cha, jha, jha. The last is nya. See the practicing corner. You have to practice it. Okay, right? Okay, children. Now, cha family have a small rhyme. Again, shall we see? चमेली मौसी कहाँ गई, छतरी और बाजार गई, जग में भरकर शरबत लाई, झरोकों से देखे मेरे बाई. Once again, follow, children. चमेली मौसी कहाँ गई, छतरी और बाजार गई, जग में भरकर शरबत लाई, झरोकों से देखकर मेरे भाई. Once again. चमेली मौसी कहाँ गई, चमेली मौसी कहाँ गई, छतरी और बाजार गई, छतरी और बाजार गई, जग में भरकर शरबत लाई, जग में भरकर शरबत लाई, झरोकों से देखो मेरे भाई, झरोकों से देखे मेरे भाई, झरोकों से देखो मेरे भाई. Okay, right, children? Clear? You have to try, children. Okay, right, children? Now, our abhyas. Shall we do? Yes. First line, once again recall that. Ka, kha, gha, gha, nga. Cha, cha, jha, jha, nya. Right? The next one. The pictures whose names begin with the given letters. We have the pictures and given the two letters. Which is the correct? We have to tick that. Right, children? Okay, what is this picture? We have the letters first, ja and j. Okay, what is this picture? Ship. What is in Hindi? Jahaj. S. What is this picture? Spoon. In Hindi? Chammach. Okay, which is the correct picture? Ja. Ja say Jahaj is the correct. Okay, shall we tick that? Right. And the next, ja. Ja say Jhanda. Yes, this is the correct. What is this picture? Yes, this is Chatai and this is Jhanda. So, this is the correct answer. Shall we take that? Yes. And the next Roman letter, shall we go? Yes, Sahi Milan Karo. Match the following. So same. In ka letter, no. Same like that. See the pictures and the letters. Which is the correct? Yes, what is this? Chatai. And where is that? The cha. Yes, is this right? Match it like this. Yes. What is this picture? Chattari. Where is cha? Yes, this is right. And what is this picture? Jharna. Jha. And what is this picture? Jug. And only this is the answer for that, Okay, children, you also do yourself, right? Shall we go to the next? Yes. Listen. Dekho or likho. Look and write. You have to write. See this letter and write here. We have to write here. Yes. Right? Like this only you have to write, children, and then write. And like this. And j. What is this letter? J. And the last letter, nga. Ch, ch, jh, jh, nya. Okay, the next Roman letter as usual, you have to join that dots and check that letter. Find that letter. Right, children? You have to do yourself. This is very simple Roman letter. Okay, now shall we go to our class work? Okay. Okay, right, children? Shall we see the class work now? Okay, take your notebook. Please cooperate with your parents, children. Write your class works properly. Sharpen pencil and write. Shall we start? Right. The first Roman letter is consonants. 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 Vyanjan. Vyanjan. Consonants. Right? Okay, the first one. We have to write the first two lines, children. Ka. Ka. Ga. Gha. Na. Okay. The next. Cha. Cha. Ja. Ja. Nya. Okay, right, children? You have to copy this to your notebook. First Roman letter is consonants. Vyanjan. Have to write. Only two letters, two lines, right? Copy. Shall I write? You don't worry, children. I will give a PDF format for you, the class work. Okay? Just you listen this. Our second Roman letter is circle the different letter. C over C. The different as differentiation, right? So only I take this Roman letter. The second one, some letters are same only now. So again I am taking this Roman letter. This Roman letter for your alphabet clearance. Third, which is the different we have to find, right? Some small difference only have children. Only small different. You have to find very carefully. Okay? Right. Right. Shall we do? Listen carefully, children. Already you have to find. I know. Okay. Which is that answer? Yes. See. Yes. This is the different letter. Shall we read? Right. That's all. And second one. See carefully. Ch, ch, dha, ch, ch. Which is the correct different letter of this line? Yes. This is the different letter. Okay, the next, the first one is very simple. Have the Gha letter here and only one is that different letter. Have to read that and listen. Jha, 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 nya. Yes, this is the different letter. Am I right? Yes, correct. The first ka, 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 ka. This is very simple. So this only the very difficult for this one and this one. So these two very simple. Okay, children. Copy your note. This one not. Chalera. The next one is filling the blanks. What? Filling the blanks. Okay, we have already know what is this letter? Ka, dash, 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 and na. What letters are will come on the dashes? Okay, ka, kha, ga, and gra, na. Right, children? Ka, kha, ga, gha, na. The next, cha line, cha, dash, 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 and nya. Shall we fill that? Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Am I right? Yes. Fully right. Okay, children. This also we have to copy our notebook. Our next one is match the following. Just a very simple Roman letter for you. So only I give this Roman letter. Fourth Roman. Only 4 Roman letters, children. This is our last Roman letter. Okay, don't worry. Match the followings. Right? Shall we write? Yes. G, G, okay, shall we match? Next letter of this letters. Okay. What is this letter? K. Which is the next letter of the K? K. What is that? Listen. Yes, this is the correct answer. You have to match. Right? The next, what is this letter? G. K, K, G. What is that next letter? Is here. Shall we match? Like this? Right. The next, column number and then cha. Cha after ch. What is that? See? 3 letters only more. Yes, this is the correct answer. You have to match. The next, G. Right, children? G. G after, which is the last letter of the G? Ka line is N. Let's match it. Okay. The last letter is J. J, only one more. This is the answer for this. J is J. Right? Match it. Okay, K, K, G, G, Ch, Ch, G, G, Na, J, J. Right? Okay, children. Complete this one also. Okay. Right, children. Over. This is our consonants. First 2 lines we have to finish. Right? Consonants first 2 lines we have to finish. And the next class, next 2 lines we will see. Okay, children. Bye.